Hi, my name is Amelie Carrano, and this is my video presentation for CIT 336 final project. In this project, I need to check to show the final Acme website and show if everything is working. First, I need to create an account on the Acme registration. Okay. And when we create an account, a new account, we have this message here with the name of the client. Now I will log in. Okay. When I log in, I have this welcome message here. I need to check if this message will show in every page. Okay. Try more pages. Okay. When I click the welcome message, it needs to take me to the client admin page, which is this one. As I don't have reviews, I need to create some reviews for the products. So this is the product detail view. When I click here, I go right to the reviews, which is on the same page, and I have here the screen name that is disabled. I cannot change the screen name, and I can make a review. So So I have a review for the small bomb, and when we scroll down, we have the message here for the review, and the review will be the first on a list of reviews. So let me make more reviews for other products. Let me try this one. And submit the review, and the message is working correctly, and the review is here. So now let me check HTML and CSS validation on the pages. Okay, no errors. Okay, no errors. Let me choose a product page. CSS, okay. HTML, okay. Now let's check a product detail. Because of these changes, I need to check it too. Okay. No errors. And no errors. Okay. Let's go back to the admin page and check the edit and delete page. So this is the edit page. CSS is okay. HTML is okay. And I go back to the delete page and check. CSS is okay. HTML is okay. Now I will try to edit review. I don't remember if we have 2 M's or 1. I will try 2 M's. Okay, so let's check if the crash helmet was is there, I mean. Okay, so the updated review is here. Let's go back to the admin page and try to delete this review. So I have this message here showing that the review was deleted and it doesn't appear here anymore. So let's check on the product page. Okay, it's not here anymore. Now I will check on the database, the reviews database, if the review I did it and edited is here. So this is the last review. I have here product ID and client ID for this last review. Now I'll try to delete one of these old reviews. I mean, let me try to delete one of these with the admin client. When I log out, the welcome message disappears, and let's try again with admin. Oops, one more time. Okay, so here is a small bomb review for the admin client username. Let me check this review. This is "Don't buy this bomb." And before I delete, I will check it on the reviews. So this is the review. "Don't buy this bomb." Client ID 17 and product ID 17 and client ID is 6. Let's see which client is this. This is the admin user, okay? So let me go back and oops, sorry. Let me go back to the admin, and delete the small bomb. Okay, "Don't buy this bomb." Okay, delete. And let's check it. It was here. I need to update. Okay, it's not here anymore. So if we follow the client ID, what was number 6, it is not here anymore. Okay, so let me log out and go back to the home page. I think this is it. Thank you.